Okay folks, this is the unit with the capacitor there, and of course the motor. There's a coupling there, there's an isolating coupler there so that the two shafts are indicated from each other, and then there's the slow motion gearing. I have two capacitors, fixed capacitors, which I can switch in when they're wired up, of course, in parallel with the variable capacitor. And I have two relay switches, which I hope will be able to switch them in without arcing, but time will tell with that. The controller board I bought off Amazon, and it contains the additional, there's a speed controller, potentiometer there, there's an on-off switch and reverse direction, forward and reverse. It's a rocker switch. So I'm going to do a demo now of the operation. We switch on the power and we've got the green light. So what I'm going to do is I'll switch on one of the directions, and you can see the motor there turning and the gearing, and you can see the vanes there of the capacitor moving. I can control the speed here as well. I can slow it down with the volume control. Well, it's not a volume control, it's a potentiometer. So it's at the slow speed there, and now there's the high speed. You can hear the motor. The motor itself is 5 revs a minute, but that's reduced to about a revolution about every minute through the reduction gear there. You can see the difference of the speeds of the shafts there moving. The primary shaft there from the motor, and then the secondary shaft there turning the capacitor. There's slow speed there. Now we're slowing down. You can see how slow I can get it. And when you consider it's even been reduced there from the speed of that, about 6 to 1, so it's really going slow. And then I have the rocker switch here. As I said, it's in one direction at the moment, so we'll speed it up there. And then I go the opposite direction. You'll see it reversing now. And back again the other direction. And there again. And there are two indicator lights on the panel as well to show forward and reverse. So that's about it. I haven't wired it up yet, but I'll get around to that. I'll probably wait now until I get back from the States. My one concern is that it might flash over in the relay contacts. They're 40 amp car relays, but that doesn't mean that they won't arc over. So I'll just have to suck it and see, and experiment with it. So there you go. That's the control. The loop will terminate on the capacitor. I've a lug. I don't know if you can see it there. No, it's the other side. I've two lugs there. One for, yeah, there they are. One is for the moving vane, and the other, where is it? I don't see it there. I don't know where I have it. Oh, there it is there, right beside me and right in front of my... That one is the grounding, so I have to wire into that. And then, as I said, the other one is the hot side of the capacitor, if you like. So there you go. I hope that gives some indication of the of what I'm at here. As I said, I don't know if it's going to be successful or not. My one fear is the arcing over the the relay contacts. But sure, we'll see when it comes to that stage. Okay, 7-3 for now from Echo India 5 Echo Mike.